how you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're all well. This is part 5 of the Mini Cooper S Swiftune Madgwick build. Progress is going very quickly, and unfortunately this one is a bit of a short video, and that's because I've run out of footage. So I'm sure there's more to come, and I think the next videos will possibly be a bit on the engine build and the engine installation into the car. So a bit of a short video this time, but next time we should have some more interesting footage. As I've mentioned in previous videos, it's quite remarkable how quickly this car has come together, and as you're looking at it now, there's not a great deal to go. Seats in, engine in, wheels on, and it's nearly done. I make it sound easy, don't I? I did just want to say a big thanks to all the supporters of the channel, all the subscribers, all the viewers. Thank you very much. I was fortunate enough to go to a mini show at the weekend and meet some viewers, which I really enjoyed. It was really good to put a face to some names and just have a good old chinwag. I do have some news coming up. I've had a very busy week actually. Some interesting stuff coming to the channel soon, so make sure you get subscribed. And news of another giveaway. So again, it will be a bit of a partnership with a company to look at, evaluate a product, and if I think it's good, there'll be one available to one of the viewers via a bit of a giveaway, so make sure you get subscribed. I'm going to shut up now and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Like I say, apologies, it's only a short one. I'm running out of footage, but I'm sure I'll have some more interesting footage to edit and share with you shortly. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for coming back and watching the videos.